applications, I will explain a little about the material and probability of events in mathematics. Guys, do you realize that life is full of possibilities? For example, you are taking part in college entrance elections. Can you confirm whether you pass or not pass? Of course not. Yet, the final result is that there are only two possibilities, passing or not passing. The chance of you passing is 50% and the chance of not passing is also 50%. In mathematics, such possibilities are called opportunities. What does that mean by opportunities? Instead of being curious, let's show enable. Understanding the case of an event's opportunity is a valid quantity to express how likely an event will occur. Change is also commonly referred to as probability. This discussion of opportunities is very closely related to everyday life. Remember, life is full of possibility. You can take an example of the application of probability. There in everyday life from a trivial matter, namely throwing the dice. Can you confirm the value of the dice that ever after being thrown? Of course not. Yeah. Okay, so here we are. At this time, I will explain about permutations in the probability of mathematical events. The implementation or application of that opportunities is very broad. There are times when you are asked to determine the probability of events occurring sequentially. For example, the probability of drawing balls in the order red, blue, and yellow. To solve probabilities that take into account this kind of order, you can use permutations. Mathematically, permutations are formulated as follows. Permutation R equals factorial per min R factorial. Like this. And is number of element present. And the R is the number of element desired. And then the formula is permutation R is factorial per min R factorial. Okay, instead of wasting time, better when we try to solve this problem. Here I have one question. In what class, there are 32 students who will select the chairman and the deputy chairman. There are many ways to choose. First, we have to know and R. You need to know that N is always bigger than R. Remember that N is always bigger than R. Then, we need to write the formula. And permutation R is n factorial per n min R factorial. And like this, we just need to write it out. We know that n is bigger than R. So we know that n is 32 and R is 2. Why 2? Because in these questions say that chairman and deputy chairman like this. So and we are is 32 factorial per 32 mean 2 factorial. Okay guys, factorial is a mathematical function represented by an exclamation mark, the symbol and factorial. And then this means starting with a positive integer and multiplying it by each previous integer until it reaches 1. Here I have one example, like we have 3 factorial, so we need to count it until reach 1. So 3 times 2 times 1. So in here we know that 32 factorial is 32 means 2 is 30. And then we have to times it until it reaches 1. 32 times 31 times 30. We need to stop and then for 30 factorial. Because 30 factorial and 30 factorial is the same, we just need to cross it out. So there are only 32 times 31. So we know the answer is 992. Okay, so simple, that's right.
Yeah.
So easy, that's right. Okay, guys, that's all for me, and I hope that what I have provided I can be of benefit. If there is anything wrong, I apologize. And then thank you and goodbye.